Hello everyone. Good morning.
Good morning,
Good
Hello, good
bro.
morning, bro.
morning. Hello, Sis Dian. Hello, Bro Fajar, Sis Punky. And we have Bro Putu, Bro Fika, Sis Dewi, and all of you guys here. Welcome back to our class again. Wow, Sis Punky. Good morning.
Good morning.
All
I'm
right.
great
You're
today.
right. Oh, sounds great that you were always great. So, wow, Sis Punky, what did you do yesterday to spend your weekend? Just stay at
Yeah,
home
my
or
my children
oh
came here
oh sure your
and
children came here in your place to visit you?
yes,
Oh
and
sir.
talking anything we want.
Oh that's
We
really
we were
nice.
sitting here
Together
from early
mhm.
at 8 o'clock until 4 o'clock until
Wow.
Asar. Yes.
Oh my god, that was really nice. Just spending time with your grandchildren, right? It's really
Yes.
cool. Great
And
one.
then yesterday the
Yesterday?
weather is not good.
Oh sure.
Raining, yeah, from morning until
Until
night. Yes.
nice. Oh my God, that's a
Yes.
maybe it's just a long day. You got a rainy day yesterday. Whoa.
Yes.
Okay. All
Rainy
right.
day.
Is this okay? That's all right. So just spend time at home
Thank
with your
you.
children, your grandchildren. It's really nice. Thank you so much, Spooky.
Yes.
That's
You know, Bro
awesome.
Vicky,
Yeah. What
because
happened?
yesterday is my birthday.
Oh sure. Oh my God. Get to hear that. It's a happy birthday,
Happy
Spooky.
birthday, Miss Punky.
Okay, wish you
Yeah,
all
thank
the
Happy
best,
you.
right?
birthday, Sis
That's
Punky.
really
Wish you all the
nice.
best.
Okay,
Thank
great
you.
everyone. That's so lovely. Okay, so guys, everyone, let's start the class while waiting outdoors. Sabi nunggu teman-teman lain, kita mulai teman-teman ya. Okay, guys, good morning. Welcome back to our class again with speaking partner.
We
We
are the
Oh, the
best.
best
Partner.
partner. Okay, what's password, guys?
smile.
Mine.
Thank you so much, guys. You were really nice. Okay, guys, today is our third week. We have passed our second weeks before, and we had a last meeting. We had what is this? This is like a middle exam, right? Yeah, and you did it well at the time. And today we just go throughout another topic that we're going to learn about. Yeah, and I give you an Addison topic today, guys. This is about, you know, how we say that one? Siam. Siam itu kembarannya modal gitu, guys ya. So we try to create a sentence today, and also, yes, we have a conversation as usual. Okay, so guys, without further ado, and let's get started. Here we go. Langsung aja, guys ya. We have more time to talk and get started, guys. Here we go. Look at this, our topic, guys. Our topic is about this. Can you tell about? Can you tell about? Ini kan cara kita. Okay. So our topic. Nanti Bro Vicky juga ajarin gimana sih cara menjelaskan sesuatu ya, so we can answer the question longer and maybe clearer. Okay. But before we learn about this, guys, we need to talk about this. Teman-teman, kita butuh belajar ini dulu. Okay. Just chill out, everyone. We need to learn this. At the time, we have ever learned about modal verb. Dulu kita pernah belajar yang namanya modal verb, teman-teman. I think you still remember that in our class previously, atau di kelas sebelumnya, kelas basic 1 dulu kita belajar modal verb, teman-teman ya. Masih ingat ya? Today we have another. Kita belajar tambahannya sebagai kembaran modal verb. Kembarannya namanya kembar ya pasti sama, cuma beda namanya aja. So the name is same, similar expression of modal. Ya, itu kembarannya bahasa enaknya. Teman-temannya, if we talk about modal verb, okay, we have can, could yang bermakna atau berarti bisa atau dapat. Ada may, might, itu artinya boleh atau mungkin. Must itu harus atau pasti. Will dan would itu artinya akan. Should and ought to itu artinya seharusnya. Sama kayak pelajaran dulu teman-temannya. Is it clear, right? Juga sama, kalimat itu dibagi dua, verbal dan nominal. Oke. Nah, di sini kita perlu belajar mengetahui yang namanya seiom. Why do we need to learn about this? Kenapa sih guys kita itu butuh belajar ini? Karena gini guys, kalau kita mau bilang kamu harus bisa menemuiku. Kamu harus bisa menemuiku. Kita nggak boleh bilang gini, kamu. Kamu itu bahasa Inggrisnya you. Ya guys ya. Harus bahasa Inggrisnya must. Oke. Bisa bahasa Inggrisnya terus kita bilang can. You must can meet me. Misalnya kayak gitu guys ya. I must can meet you. I must can meet you. Tidak boleh seperti itu. Oke, so that's why we need seiom. Kita perlu yang namanya similar expression of modal. Itu fungsinya teman-teman. Oke, so let's get started. Look at this. Seiom, similar expressions of modal. Itu di sini ada be able to. Be able to itu kembarannya can sama could. Namanya kembar artinya sama, bisa atau dapat. Ya guys ya. Yang kedua, be allowed to. Be allowed to itu kembarannya si my ini guys ya, si may and might. Itu boleh atau mungkin artinya. Dan juga have to, has to. Kita belajar dulu guys ya. Have to, has to, had to. Itu sebenarnya adalah seiom guys. Itu yang sering kita pakai nih. Artinya harus sama kayak must. Kembarnya si must gitu. Habis itu akan. Itu kita menggunakan be going to. Biasanya kita sikat gonna. Gonna. Itu tuh going to teman-teman. Itu similar of modal yang bermakna akan. Kembarannya will sama would. Gitu teman-temannya. Kalau be supposed to itu seharusnya atau boleh bermakna sebaiknya juga nggak apa-apa. Be supposed to. Kembarannya should and ought to. Itu teman-temannya. Kita fokus ke kembaran hari ini ya. Oke. This one guys. Look at this. I will notice this. Teman-teman berpikir tanda ini. Oke. Just talk about this. Ini berpikir kotak ini guys ya. Kita membahas ini aja guys. Seiom. Similar expression of modal. Nah. Oke. Let's try to create a sentence. Kalau dulu guys kita mau bilang saya bisa bernyanyi sebuah lagu atau saya bisa menyanyi sebuah lagu. Artinya gimana guys? How do we say in English? Saya bisa atau dapat menyanyi sebuah lagu?
I can sing a song.
Yes,
I can
you're
sing
right.
a song.
I can sing a song. Oke, nah di sini kita diubah. Coba kita menggunakan seiom. Kita nggak boleh I can sing a song. Kita menggunakan I'm able to sing a song. Ini berpikir sampingnya ini teman-teman ya. I'm able to sing a song. Nah, look at this everyone. I'm able to sing a song. Kita menggunakan I'm able to. Itu guys. Sebagai seiomnya. Loh, Bro Fik, B-nya itu apa? B yang dimaksud di sini adalah to be teman-teman. Oke. Di sini adalah to be, Bro Vicky tulis sini ya. To be. To be berarti kan banyak ya guys ya. To be itu ada is, am, are, oke, was, were. Tergantung konteksnya nanti. Ini to be. To be. Banyak to be guys. Yang sering kita pakai ya pasti is, am, are. Masih ingat penggunaannya ya? Was, dan juga were. Dan teman-teman yang lain gitu guys ya. Jadi kita nggak boleh I be able, tapi I am able to sing a song. Kenapa pakai am? Karena to be-nya atau subjeknya itu kan I. Otomatis to be-nya menggunakan I am. I am able to sing a song. Gitu guys teman-teman. Terus bedanya apa Bro Fik? I can sing a song sama I'm able to sing a song sebenarnya dalam makna sama teman-teman. You can use both of them. It's totally alright. Teman-teman boleh dua-duanya, terserah teman-teman. Tapi ada perbedaannya ya teman-teman. I can sing a song, otomatis teman-teman bener-bener kayak, this is like 100% teman-teman bisa nyanyi dengan bagus gitu guys ya, 100%. I'm able to sing a song maybe 50-50. Bisa nyanyi, bisa enggak. Otomatis kuatan atau lebih kuat Bro Vicky kaget guys. Bro Vicky kuat ini ya, Bro Vicky kuat. Teman-teman, kita nyanyinya itu kuatan yang pakai modal verb. Kalau I can sing song, otomatis 100% benar-benar bisa. Lebih kuat, strong. Kalau I'm able to sing a song, itu 50% aja teman-teman. Bisa enggak, bisa juga bisa memang. Gitu guys ya. Ada keraguan, kita pakai say. Itu teman-temannya. Begitupun juga di kalimat nominal sentence. Kalau kalimat nominal sentence kita bilang be teman-temannya. Oke, look at this. I can be beautiful. What is the meaning of I can be beautiful, teman-teman? What is the meaning in bahasa?
Cantik.
Iya, saya atau aku bisa
Bisa
cantik. Iya.
bisa
I can be beautiful. Saya bisa cantik. Ingat ya, nominal sentence kita harus menggunakan be. Gak boleh I can beautiful. Gak boleh I can be beautiful. Begitupun juga nanti ketika seom. I'm able to be beautiful. Kita menggunakan able. Nih guys. I'm able to be beautiful. Ada be-nya juga ya. Oke, sama maknanya. That's one. Oke guys ya, itu tentang membuat kalimat simple dalam seom. Teman-teman udah bisa ya di sini? Do you have a question so far? Dari sini dulu teman-teman ada pertanyaan? Sebelum kita lanjut. Namanya. Alright, say great. It's nice. Sekarang guys, we need to learn this one. Seom itu diciptakan untuk membantu si modal verb ya guys ya. Ketika kita mau bilang kayak tadi nih guys, saya harus bisa berbicara bahasa Inggris. Kita nggak boleh bilang harus itu pakai must, bisa pakai can. I must can speak English, tidak boleh. We need to use seom. Ini syaratnya, rules guys. Ketika modal verb M ini guys ya, M itu modal verb ya. Modal sama modal itu nggak boleh. Makanya kita nggak boleh bilang I must can speak English, itu tidak boleh. Yang belakang itu harus diubah menjadi seom. Kita menggunakan itu seom. Itulah salah satu syarat atau mungkin alasan ya guys ya, seom itu diciptakan guys. Jadi kita menggunakan modal seom ataupun seom-seom semuanya gitu nanti guys. Kita belajar yang ini dulu ya, modal seom. I must be able to speak English. Nah, di sini guys, kita artinya apa nih guys? I must be able to speak English. What is the meaning guys?
Saya harus bisa bahasa Inggris.
Iya, saya harus
Berbicara bahasa
bisa berbicara bahasa Inggris. Must di sini sebagai modalnya, modal verb must ini guys ya. Be able to sebagai siam. Bro Vicky tadi S gini teman-teman ya. Oke, siam. Oke. So, I must be able to speak English. Gitu. Kita nggak boleh I must can. Kita menggunakan be able di sini guys ya. Oke. Itu teman-teman digabungin must sama be able. I must be able to speak English. Gitu teman-teman. Sama lagi teman-teman mau bilang gini, saya akan bisa mencintaimu. Kita nggak boleh bilang I will can love you. Tidak boleh. We must use this modal verb and siom. Will-nya ini sebagai modal verb. Be able to sebagai siomnya. I will be able to love you. Gitu teman-teman ya. Oke. The next one, it should be the others. You want to say, saya seharusnya, sebaiknya bisa menjadi dokter. Nggak boleh kita bilang, I should can be a doctor. No, but we should use should sebagai modal verbnya, be able to sebagai siomnya. Jadi tinggal digabungin aja antara modal verb sama siom gitu teman-teman. Oke? You got it everyone. Bisa teman-teman ya? Oke. So, do you have a questions here guys? Ada pertanyaan di sini guys? Untuk modal sama siom ketika digabungin? Bisa ya? Kalau teman-teman Bro Vicky bilang gini guys. Saya seharusnya bisa menemuimu. Berarti gimana guys bilangnya? Saya seharusnya bisa atau dapat menemuimu. How do we say in English?
Should able
I should be able to meet you.
Yes, I should be able to
To
meet
meet
you. Yes, I should be able to meet you. Kita menggunakan be able ya teman-teman di sini. Jadi bro Fik tadi kan is am are bro Fik. Iya guys. Kalau di depan, kalau di belakang kayak gini tetap dipakai atau dibilang be. Nah, tetap dibaca be ya, nggak dihilangin. I must, I should able to know. I should be able. Beda lagi kalau di depan guys, langsung penggunaannya nggak ada masnya. Berarti ya tergantung to be-nya nanti. Gitu teman-temannya. Oke. The next word you want to use this. Siam. Dengan siam modal sama siam sudah teman-temannya. So we can say that. And it's gonna be different if you want to make siam sama siam semua. Jadi modelnya nggak dipakai. Itu juga native itu sering banget menggunakan itu guys ya. Semisal, tadi kan kalau kita mau bilang saya akan bisa mencintaimu kan I will be able to love you. Normalnya seperti itu. But native itu kadang-kadang menggunakan siom semua. Dia nggak menggunakan modal verb gitu guys ya. Menjadi I'm going to be able to love you. Gitu guys. I'm going to ini modal verb yang pertama guys. Oke. Modal verb yang pertama. Not modal verb ya, siam yang pertama gitu ya. Berpikir tandai satu gini ya. Oke. Habis itu be able to ini adalah siam yang keduanya. Gitu guys. Digabungin karena akan itu pakai be going to, able itu pakai ya ini guys, dapat atau bisa itu pakai be able to, digabungin be going to sama be able to. Pakai siom semua. Saya akan bisa. Tapi yang perlu teman-teman harus diperhatikan, I am ini yang depan menggunakan to be di sini guys. Tergantung subjeknya is am are gitu guys ya. I'm going to. Kalau ini tetap menggunakan be. Karena di tempatnya di kedua gitu guys ya. So I'm going to be able to love you. Kita nggak boleh I be going to be able to love you, nggak boleh. Oke? Okay? You got it everyone? Bisa teman-temannya di sini? Kalau semisal tadi teman-teman, saya seharusnya bisa menemuimu, tapi kita pakai siam semua berarti gimana guys? Saya seharusnya bisa menemuimu. How do we say in English?
I am
should
supposed to be able to
Pakai siam semua guys.
meet you.
I
going
Siap.
I'm going
I'm
I'm supposed to be able to
be
meet you.
able to
be
meet
able
you.
to meet you.
Iya, gini guys, kita nggak boleh I be supposed to. Be itu yang ketika di depan itu menjadi to be. Karena subjeknya I berarti I am. I am langsung supposed to. Karena berarti seharusnya kan teman-teman pakai siam nih. Ya, supposed to. I'm supposed to. Baru diikuti bisa siamnya. Be able to meet you. Gitu guys. I'm supposed to be able to meet you. Ini guys. Okay. That's it everyone ya. I'm supposed to be able to meet you. Gitu guys. You got it? Teman-teman ya. Itu siam yang pertama. I'm supposed to be able to, yaitu yang kedua. So guys, this one is the correct one. So anybody wants to ask a question this time so far? Ada yang belum paham atau mungkin ada yang ditanyakan masih bingung teman-teman? Nope. Bisa ya? Okay. So that's one. Start from now, we need to use that. Selain itu, teman-teman, kita harus menggunakan siam ketika sebelumnya verb. Misalnya, saya ingin bisa berbicara bahasa Inggris. Gimana guys? How do we say in English? Saya ingin bisa berbicara bahasa Inggris.
to be able to speak
Yes.
English.
That's correct, Ray. We must use siam di sini. Kita nggak boleh saya ingin bisa. I want to can atau I want can, nggak boleh. Kita menggunakan siam. Berarti I want to be able to speak, I guess ya, English. This one, guys. This is I want to be able to speak English. Kita menggunakan say am. Ketika awalnya verb I want, saya ingin, saya malu. Mungkin saya malu akan ngomong gitu guys. So you can say that one the same ya guys ya. Just say I'm sorry to be going to, seperti itu. Pokoknya teman-teman di sini kita menggunakan yang namanya seom gitu guys ya. Oke, itulah penggunaan seom teman-teman. We cannot say digabungin modal verb semua. No. Oke, bisa teman-teman di sini ya. Oke. So that's, ya, kenapa sis Anti?
I have question because I
Sure.
just joined lately, so I don't know. What is seom? I'm really sorry. Maybe my
Oh.
question really basic.
Okay, yeah, seom is similar expression of modal, disingkat seom. Kembarannya modal verb. Itu kembaran bahasa kita enaknya sis Anti. Namanya kembar itu bermakna sama. Artinya can, could, kembarannya be able to. Itu sis Anti. Oke?
Okay,
Aman ya?
thank you.
Sure. Oke. Udah bisa teman-temannya? Itu penggunaan siam. Siam itu diciptakan untuk membantu si modal verb ketika kita mau bilang semisal saya harus bisa, nggak boleh I must can. Kita menggunakan siam tuh. I must be able to. Begitupun juga sebaliknya. Itu teman-temannya. Oke guys, so we have done learning it. Is this enough ya, teman-teman? Teman-teman boleh di screenshot atau ditulis nggak apa-apa. Udah ya, Bro Vicky hapus ya. 1, 2, 3, go. Right. So guys, back to our main topic. Today, we would like to talk about can you tell about, nah, kita menggunakan modal ini guys. Can you tell about, bisa kamu menjelaskanku, menerangkanku tentang gitu guys ya. Nah, so we have a lot of ways to say that one. Ketika teman-teman diminta untuk menjelaskan sesuatu, you can use this way in the beginning. Sebenarnya caranya banyak, tapi di awal kita menggunakannya dipakai ini guys ya. Teman-teman punya cara sendiri, is okay. Semisal nih, I will ask Sis Jenny, can you tell about your favorite food? Sis Jenny, bisakah kamu menjelaskanku tentang favorit makananmu? Kita boleh pakai ini guys. Di awal ya, let me tell you about, boleh. Atau mungkin di construction disingkat menjadi let me. Let me tell you about. Let me tell you about. Ya teman-teman, minggu kemarin kita belajar connected speech. Ketika ada ini guys, you vokal sama vokal. Kira-kira ditambah suara apa nih guys? Yuk. Penambahan suara. You about. Guys, what is that? What is that? Anybody knows? You. This is become we. Penambahan suara we. Iya. Let me tell you about. Gitu guys. Okay, so it looks so natural that we say, let me tell you about. No, you about. Itu penambahan suara. Pelajaran minggu kemarin teman-temannya. Okay, let me tell you about. That's about the pronunciation. Let me tell you about. Ya, atau bermakna artinya sama ya. Kayak biarkan saya menjelaskanmu tentang apa gitu guys ya. Atau pakai cara yang lain, pakai I will tell you about. I will tell you about. Sama ya. I will tell you about. Atau pakai siam juga boleh. I'm going to tell you about. Boleh. It's alright guys. I will tell you about. I'm going to tell you about. Atau pakai modal guys. I can say that. I can say that. Atau I'm able to say that. Pakai siam juga boleh. I can say that. Gitu guys ya. Dan teman-teman, don't forget, semuanya ini diikuti verb 1 teman-temannya. Kita nggak boleh let me telling you, let me told you. No. It should be verb 1. I will tell you, bukan I will telling you. I will to tell you nggak boleh. I can say that, verb 1 juga nggak boleh. I can saying, I can to say, Nggak boleh ya. It's only verb 1 semuanya. Kalau ini yang paling mudah nih. Let me tell you, teman-teman berpikir minta gini. Can you tell me about your favorite food? My favorite food is langsung aja sebagai normalnya teman-teman ya. Gitu. And sekarang guys, teman-teman look at this. Semisal teman-teman diminta gini. Let me tell you atau let me describe. Tell atau describe itu kan kita diminta untuk menjelaskan. Jadi nggak boleh semisal nih guys. Can you tell me about your favorite food? Terus teman-teman bilang gini, my favorite food is maybe noodle. Cukup gitu aja, tidak boleh. Karena kita diminta tell, menjelaskan harus lebih panjang. At least teman-teman alasannya, minimal alasannya. Dan kasih contohnya gitu. My favorite food is noodle. I like noodle because noodle is so delicious. For example, I like eating fried noodle, mie goreng, pulled noodle, atau mie rebus. Seperti itu teman-teman. Oke? You got it guys? Ya. At least alasannya kenapa jawaban itu. Dikasih contohnya gitu aja is enough teman-teman. Oke? Jangan dijawab singkat aja ya. Atau boleh teman-teman jelaskan yang lain. Kayak seberapa sering kalian makan. I like noodle. My favorite food is noodle. I like eating noodle because noodle is easy to make it. And the taste is so delicious. I eat noodle twice in a week. I usually buy noodle in the store. The price is affordable. Okay. I like eating noodle with iced tea. Itu for example, you can use it everyone. Dijelasin sebisa teman-teman ya. Gitu. Karena kita diminta tell, menjelaskan, otomatis harus lebih jelas. Oke. Oke, guys, there's one. Responnya nanti ketika sudah menjawab, wow, that's amazing or cool, dope. Dope itu artinya sama kayak cool, keren ya, itu bahasa rapper, bahasa gaul gitu ya. Dope, man, gitu. No wonder, it's the same. Respon kita kalau takjub gitu guys ya. Oke, guys, so that's one. Anybody wants to ask a question so far? Ada nggak nih guys? Ada pertanyaan nggak nih? Nope.
I have a question.
Yeah, sure. Sis Auntie. Okay, come on.
How about if someone say that I would tell you about, is it
Oh.
okay or is
It's totally alright, Sis Auntie. Boleh. Ini cuma yang sering dipakai aja teman-teman. Teman-teman punya cara sendiri, is okay. Sis Auntie, don't worry. Okay, Sis
I
Auntie?
said that it's not correct. Like
Just
it's not
correct.
correct.
It's
Thank you.
okay. Alright, so ini cuma teman-teman how to answer itu cuma cara yang sering dipakai aja ya. Kita biasanya memang pakainya ini. Cara paling mudah. Teman-teman punya cara lain untuk pakai yang kayak sis Anti tadi. I would like to tell you about. Boleh banget. Guys, it's okay. Don't worry. Okay, teman-temannya. Alright guys, I think that's gonna be enough for this. And before we practice, I would like to ask some of you to practice this. Coba teman-teman berpikir mau minta salah satu untuk latihan dulu nih guys. Answer the question, alright? So, what about this? It should be, guys, anybody wants to practice? Raise your hand, please. Siapa yang mau practice nih? Sis Lily, alright, Sis Lily. Hello, Sis Lily.
Hello, Bro Vicky. Good
That's really
morning.
good morning, Sis Lily. Sis Lily, I have a
Yeah.
question, okay? Dijawab
Yeah.
pakai ini ya. Sis Lily, could you tell me your favorite food? Makanan favoritnya Sis Lily, coba jelasin.
Okay, I will tell you about my favorite food. Is nasi kebuli
Oh, great.
because the tasty is delicious and have a special tasty.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's great.
tasty, special from apa Timur Tengah apa
Mhm.
Middle East.
Oh, sure. That's really great. Nah,
Yeah.
Cecily, you can explain it again. Nanti kan alasannya kenapa suka nasi kebuli.
Yeah.
That's why. Kenapa? So, udah kan udah dikasih. Coba Cecily tambahin lagi kayak gini. I usually eat nasi kebuli once in a week. Seminggu sekali. Berarti seberapa sering boleh. Tambah lagi Cecily. I usually eat nasi kebuli in the in the restaurant, for example. Boleh tempatnya. Atau mungkin sama siapa juga boleh. I usually eat nasi kebuli with my family. Juga boleh, Cecily.
I always make
Hmm? Nasi kebuli. Hmm?
once in a month.
Oh.
If some my family come to my house, especially in Idul Fitri or Idul Adha, I always make for them.
Oh. Really
So
cool.
because they love this food.
Mm-mm.
Nasi kebuli.
Oh, that's a really good. Nah, that's really good answer, Sis Lily. You can explain it more longer and clearly. It's good, Sis Lily. Okay? Thank you so much, Sis Lily. Nah, seperti teman-temannya, jadi ketika teman-teman diminta tell, menjelaskan, atau mungkin describe gitu, guys. Itu banyak teman-teman penjelasannya ya. Boleh menggunakan 5W1H itu, guys. Berarti what, dapat teman-teman, apa nih favoritnya? Nasi kebuli, boleh. It's good. Ada lagi nih guys ya. Why? Oke. Kayak 5W1H ya guys ya. Why? Kenapa? Kenapa suka nasi kebuli? Ya guys ya. Boleh pakai when. Biasanya makannya waktu kapan nih? Berapa kali gitu guys ya. Boleh. And then it's with. Ya guys ya. No. This one is gonna be apa lagi guys? What, why, when, who. Where juga boleh. Mana
Where do you eat
biasanya?
nasi kebuli?
Ya, boleh. Habis itu langsung who, sama siapa nih makannya? Iya, boleh. Atau mungkin tambah how, juga boleh how. Biasanya
How to
hidangannya
make?
seperti apa? How to make it boleh. Atau dihidangkan seperti apa, dijelasin boleh. Atau yang lainnya boleh guys, you can explain it. Kasih contoh example, boleh. Example gitu guys ya. Dan juga yes, maybe example is enough teman-teman ya. Oke, gitu teman-teman. Boleh jadiin satu kalimat gitu. Tadi si Stili nih. I like eating I will tell you about my favorite food. My favorite food is nasi kebuli. I like nasi kebuli because the taste is so delicious. I usually make it once in a month. I eat nasi kebuli at home. I eat nasi kebuli with my family. I usually make it by myself. For example, in Idul Adha, Idul Fitri, Eid Mubarak, okay, or Adha Mubarak, something like that. Gitu guys, dijadiin satu kalimat gitu. Oke, okay? Poinnya ada what, why, when, where, who. At least setidaknya kalau teman-teman masih bingung atau mungkin sedikit aja mau menjawabnya, ya udah dijawab what, why, sama kasih contohnya is enough. Itu teman-teman ya. At least kalau dituruh tell atau describe, kita menjelaskan seperti itu. Oke guys, you got it everyone? Is it enough? Okay?
Enough.
That's a good one. So guys, this is the way how to tell each letter. Teman-teman nanti ketika kita practice pakai ini ya, boleh pakai let me tell you about, I will tell you about, I can say that, atau yang sering kita pakai my blah 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 is, my favorite food is, atau apa tergantung pertanyaannya nanti. Punya tahu sendiri is okay. Itu guys ya. Alright, so guys, look at this. I have a question. Look at this question, guys. Ooh. Can you tell about, digabungin teman-temannya, ada konsonan sama vokal. Nah, can you tell about something you love? Bisakah teman-teman jelasin nih sesuatu yang kalian cintai? Oh, boleh guys. It can be your family, your partner, your pet, or anything. Gitu guys ya. Lagi nih, can you tell about something you hate? Kalau sesuatu yang kalian benci apa? Mungkin benci hewan ini atau mungkin benci apa? Boleh benci itu kan boleh sama apapun, something di sini ya. Oke. And the next one, can you tell about something you really care about? Yang teman-teman sangat pedulikan itu apa? Can you tell about someone you dislike? Orang yang kalian nggak suka itu seperti apa, guys? Oke, semisal nih, tiba-tiba boleh pinjam 100 gitu, guys ya. Langsung kita hindari itu. Oke, gitu, guys. Alright. Oke, and the next one. Udah lama nggak ketemu, tiba-tiba, halo, gimana kabarnya? Oh, I know it. Gitu, guys ya. Lanjut nih. Can you tell about a dream you have had? Ini adalah sebuah dream, cita-cita, teman-teman, bukan mimpi ketika tidur. Can you tell about the dream, sebuah cita-cita yang kamu sudah miliki, berarti sudah tercapai. Itu apa, guys? Gitu, guys. Can you tell about a goal you have? A goal yang teman-teman punyai itu apa? Can you tell about yourself? Berarti diri kalian, ya guys ya. Nama, dan gimana, nama lengkap, atau mungkin asal di mana, dan favoritnya apa, hobi apa, seperti itu. Kayak introduction kalau ini. Can you tell about your childhood? Ketika masa kecil, benar banget. Can you tell about your family? Can you tell about your parents? Can you tell about your boyfriend atau girlfriend? It's really good if you have. Nggak punya Bofik, nggak punya teman-teman. Ketika teman-teman semisal nih, kayaknya ini nggak perlu dijawab nih. You can say, I'm so sorry, I can't tell you that. Gitu guys ya. Nggak apa-apa teman-teman. Kalian sebisanya teman-teman dijawab ya, karena kita belajar speaking. Jadi jangan semua nanti, can you tell about someone who's like, sorry, I cannot. Can you tell about the goal you have? Sorry, I cannot. Nanti nggak praktis malahan. Jadi dikarang aja ya teman-teman, semisal apa gitu guys. Nggak apa-apa kita berbohong kayak jelasin ini ya. Penting kan kita speaking ya guys. Kita buat-buat sendiri gitu guys. You know? Alright guys, that's our goal, is just speak guys. Bukan mencari benar atau salah dalam menjawab pertanyaan, tapi just tell it gitu yang teman-teman ingin katakan gitu ya. Oke, sebenarnya banyak teman-teman. Nih ada lagi nih. Can you tell about your pet? And Najwan masih banyak lagi. Oke. Tapi teman-teman hari ini cukup ini aja cukup, minimal teman-temannya nggak harus urus. Kalau teman-teman mau yang lain nanti bisa dicek di modul teman-teman. Ada nih guys ya. Banyak topiknya. Oke. Oke guys ya. So let's get started. We're going to practice now. I will make it the breakout room. Don't forget, breakout room is really important to improve our speaking. Just join the breakout room though. Bro Vicky buat roomnya dulu teman-teman. Oke. Alright, nanti ada yang 4 teman-temannya. Oke. Lanjut langsung join aja breakout room. 1, 2, 3, go. Let's go. Good luck guys. We still have more time, by the way. Don't worry. So you guys, welcome back to the main room. Thank you so much everyone for practicing today. That was the nice topic you talk, and it's really nice, like sharing about something you have, you hate, you love. It's really cool. You have tried to tell it clearly, and that's really nice. So the next, I would like to ask one of you guys to have 1 minute challenge before I give you the feedback for today. And I think today I would like to ask, what about, wait a moment. Okay. Siskasi Rahma Aini. Siskasi. Halo Siskasi. Siskasi. You here? Could you turn on your microphone and camera, please? Siskasi. Hello. Where are you? Mana Siskasi ini guys? Oke, maybe Siskasi belum bisa ya. So what about
hiding?
It's alright. Okay, so what about the others?
Mommy.
Mommy, is it you? Mommy, hello. Mommy.
Miss
Hey guys.
Pungki,
Hiding.
Bro Vicky. I
Brother.
should rec.
Hi.
Miss Pungki.
No, no,
All
no, no,
right.
no. Bronze dulu
Okay.
now.
Maybe I would like to ask this. It should be, you must be ready though. Okay. What about you? Sis Lily. Isi
Yeah.
dibuka nih. Okay. It's your time, Sis Lily. Come on. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, you need to explain your discussion in breakout room. Oh, okay, Sis Yani. Thank you so much for coming. See you tomorrow, okay? Sis Lily, are you ready?
Inshallah.
Okay, great. So I give you time 1 minute and just tell it you're discussing about. 1, 2, 3, go. Let's go.
Okay, I will tell you about our discuss a few minutes ago. We talk about discuss about what something we love, and there is bro siapa tadi ya bro Nov, there is Miss Sis Niar, Sis Sri. We talk about we love like a family. There is love someone about activity every day. And we talk about we discuss about something we hate.
Oh.
Yes, we hate someone unpolite and apa tidak sopan itu tidak jujur apa honest, dishonest.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
So
sure. That's a great.
that our feel always laugh about apa tertawa laugh
Yeah,
ya
laugh. Yeah, we always laugh. Okay. So
we always
good,
laugh
Sis
about it.
Lily. You are so nice at telling that it was a nice topic you talk about with your friends, I think. And you said you always laugh over there. Okay, great. Okay, thank you so much. Guys, I want to highlight here, guys, the feedback for today, especially this one. Nih guys, teman-teman, if you wanna say yang, you can use this way. Jadi teman-teman boleh pakai cara ini ya. We say that adjective clause. Apa sih adjective clause? Itu adalah sebuah klausa yang teman-teman ingin memberikan informasi tentang sesuatu atau seseorang. Biasanya kita itu bilangnya itu yang. Ya. Orang yang, oke, permainan yang, sesuatu yang kita menggunakan konteks ini teman-teman. Yang, ini kan si adjective clause. Nah, di sini paling mudah teman-teman, apapun katanya, kita mau bilang yang itu pakainya that. It's gonna, yeah. The cake that she bought was delicious. Kayak kue yang dia beli sangat lezat atau lezat. Boleh. Itu guys ya. Atau orang. The people that I meet is handsome. Orang yang saya temui ganteng. Semuanya itu pakai that itu paling mudah teman-temannya gitu. Tapi cari amannya kita pakai that semua untuk bilang yang. Tapi ada spesifiknya teman-teman. Teman-teman mau pakai who juga boleh kalau konteksnya itu manusia, orang. Kita pakai who. The people who live next door are good neighbors. Orang-orang yang tinggal di dekat di samping gitu. Next door itu tetangga yang baik gitu. You can say that, guys. The people who likes this food is my husband. For example, this one. Boleh pakai who kalau orang, kalau benda nggak boleh pakai who ya teman-teman. Kalau the game ini lebih ke pilihan kita pakai which boleh. Kalau tempat teman-teman, tempat nih. I visited the town. Town ini kan tempat teman-teman. Boleh pakai where they meet. Itu guys. Oke, boleh pakai where. Ataupun pakai kalau waktu the day pakainya when. Untuk whom is just normal way kayak who ya teman-teman, whose juga. Ini semua boleh kita pakai that kalau kita bingung Kita pakai who, where, atau when, guys. Kita pakai that aja, sama. The cake that she bought was delicious. Boleh. The people that live next door are good neighbor. Boleh. The game that was played. Boleh. I visited the town that they meet. Boleh. It's totally
Berarti
alright. Hmm?
berarti yang kalau yang luas itu semuanya bisa pakai that ya?
Iya, bener, semuanya pakai that gitu. Tapi in specific one, kalau mau lebih clearly atau mungkin tempat secara grammar mengerjakan soal, tetap diikuti. Gak boleh pakai that ya. Secara speaking aja teman-teman boleh pakai that gitu ya. Ini sering dipakai juga. Oke, itu teman-temannya. You got it? Atau pakai who kalau memang orang gitu ya. Saya menemui orang yang saya cintai. As you can see this one. I meet the people whom I love. It's okay. You can say that one. Teman-teman gitu ya. Mau bilang yang boleh pakai ini guys. Got it everyone? Aman ya?
Aman.
That's a great
Yes,
one.
aman.
Okay, sure. The next one
Just
guys.
adjust with the condition.
Iya, das bener banget bro. Tergantung konteksnya, kondisinya temen-temennya. Kalau orang berarti pakai who, kalau benda ya pakai that aja, atau bingung pakai apa, pakai that semua nggak apa-apa. For the communication is right.
Kalau whose
Oke.
itu siapa ya?
Iya,
Whose.
milik. Whose itu lebih milik siapa? Sis Pungki.
Ya.
Milik siapa? Milik.
Whose the pen is?
Whose pen is this, for example? Okay. Good, Sis Pungki. Okay, guys, that's it everyone for today. And I want to highlight here again. Teman-teman, how do we say mana tadi ya? Lebay. What is lebay in English, guys?
Overacting.
Iya.
Too much?
Too
Over.
much. Too much.
Too much. Oke, teman-teman pakai ini ya. Dramatic bener banget. Boleh pakai dramatic atau overacting is the common use. Overacting. Bro, itu di chat teman-teman. Itu orang lebay. Boleh pakai dramatic is okay.
Dramatic
Guys.
woman.
Okay, that's great. Overacting. And the next one, ini Bro Vicky kirim ya, teman-teman. Okay. Nah, itu guys. And the next one, if you want to say orang manja. Orang-orang kok manja banget, guys. What is it? Okay.
Person.
Spoiled. Yes, that's
Spoiled.
right. You can say spoiled person is the common
Spoiled.
use. Yeah.
Spoiled.
Spoiled. Yeah, spoiled gitu guys ya. Okay. Person.
Pakai ed.
Spoiled. Yes, that's
Pakai
right.
ed.
Itu orang manja. Spoiled person. Okay, that's one. And the next one, if you wanna say, wait a second, tadi itu orang gak enakan, guys. What? Gak enakan nih. So you can say
People
people.
pleaser.
Iya, people pleaser. Kayak please, tapi tambah er, pleaser. Gitu, guys. People pleaser itu orang gak enakan, guys. Oke. Wait, guys. Bro Vicky tulis nih.
Pakai ed.
No. People please. Kayak kita bilang please tapi tambah er Sis Pungki. Nah,
Oh iya.
people pleaser itu orang gak enakan. Orang gak enakan.
This
Dia
is
selalu
character.
that's one. Ya, orang Indonesia kan kayak gitu guys, ya, gak enakan gitu ya. Pasti ya, this people pleaser sebenarnya bakal ini guys ya, memberatkan kita juga ya. Apa-apa ya bisa, kita sendiri yang bingung malahan. Okay, this is like people pleaser. And what's that? Kabur aja dulu, Bro Vic. Guys, how do you say kabur aja dulu? Ini hashtag nih. Okay, anyone knows?
Just get away first, I think.
Iya, oke. Sebenarnya cara banyak ya guys ya. Kabur aja dulu itu kalimatnya
Run
bahasa
away.
Inggris.
Ya,
Yeah,
betul.
you can say run away. It's okay, guys. Yeah, run away first or just run away.
Today.
Pakai bahasa gaul Inggris, Bro. Oke. Jika saya just give me time, boleh kabur aja dulu, atau just give me the news, it's okay. Itu bahasa gaulnya ya. Boleh pakai ini, guys. Like just update me, boleh, or just go away first, it's okay. Bro Ian, karena itu kan bahasa gaulnya, ya just say that one, bro. Just move away is okay, or just go first is just normal that one. Okay, Bro Ian, yeah. Okay, guys, I think that's gonna be enough for today. We have tried to learn about this, teman-teman. If you want to tell something, coba teman-teman dijelasin lebih lengkap kayak kita belajar tadi. Pakai 5W1H. Apa, kenapa, di mana, ya guys ya, kapan, dan sebagainya. You can explain it that, everyone. It's really cool. Okay, guys. Alright, guys, I think that's gonna be enough for that. Okay, it's really cool we learned today.
Kata-kata
Yes, okay. Before we end the class, come on. The words are the quotes of today. Anybody
Me, Bro
wants to
Fik.
give it? Okay, Bro Zul, come on. Let's him go. Bro
Bro
Zul,
Fik,
yeah.
sorry, I want to tell something for our grandma here because today he had a
Got birthday?
birthday. Yeah.
Oh, yesterday was the okay, come on.
Okay, for our grandma here, I hope that with this increasing age, you can, you are be able to become a better person. I mean.
Oh, Amin. Okay,
Amin.
that's really great.
Amin. Thank you, Bro Zul. Okay, grandma.
Really great. Okay, well done. Bro Zul, are you ready?
Okay, I'm ready.
1, 2, 3, go. Kata-kata hari ini, Bro Zul.
Hello, partners. Keep your spirit or keep on to forward.
Wow, that's really good, bro. I love
Okay.
it. Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much, bro. Okay, great job, everyone. This is really nice, really good. I love that word, bro. Keep going, everyone. Yeah, it's really
Okay,
cool.
thank you, bro.
Okay, that's really nice of you to talk about this one. And the last I say, speaking partner.
We
are partner.
What's password,
Bye.
guys?
mine.
Bye-bye,
Always
everyone. See you
mine.
Bye.
tomorrow.
Thank
Have
you,
a
Bro
great
Fik.
day. Most
Thank
welcome.
Thank you, Tisha.